President Joe Biden says that he has a plan to lower meat prices at the grocery store. He blames big meat and poultry companies for charging too much and for hurting farmers and ranchers. But the meat industry is firing back, saying the White House is trying to blame the meat industry for inflation and is ignorant when it comes to agriculture, economics, and the fundamentals of supply and demand. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports.
In the middle of a windy snowstorm, President Joe Biden made his way back to the White House facing another storm of a much different variety. Inflation, including rising prices for meat.
4 big corporations control more than half of the markets in beef, pork, and poultry.
President Biden met with farmers and ranchers virtually, announcing a plan this afternoon for creating what the White House calls a more competitive, fair, resilient meat and poultry sector.
To bring in more competition and dignity and more farmers, ranchers, and customers, we're going to invest in new and innovative small businesses and meat processors, the lifeblood of our economy.
Using money from the American Rescue Plan, the administration will invest $1 billion to expand independent processing capacity. One goal, provide producers an opportunity to have ownership in processing facilities. Meanwhile, on another storm front, COVID-19, the rapidly spreading Omicron variant, average daily COVID cases are nearly twice as high as this time last year, leaving the nation once again in limbo.
When you have so many cases, even if the rate of hospitalization is lower with Omicron than it is with Delta, there's still the danger that you're going to have a surging of hospitalizations that might stress the healthcare system.
The Food and Drug Administration just approved Pfizer booster shots for children as young as 12. Children tend to suffer less serious illness from COVID-19 than adults. But Senator Rand Paul critical of the FDA's move, saying yesterday the government is ignoring its own rules to push booster vaccines on kids.
Hi, everyone.
The surge in COVID cases is also prompting changes in the White House briefing room. Only 14 journalists, far fewer than normal, will be allowed to attend each day, similar to the restrictions put in place at the beginning of the pandemic. Today's briefing was canceled due to the stormy weather. The heavy snow closed federal offices in Washington, D.C. Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.